been a doozy of a forecast to get a firm grasp on here. We finally did break above the freezing mark early this afternoon after spending 43 hours below freezing. And now once again we're hovering just above at 33 degrees. The big problem was as recently as even early this afternoon, half of our computer models showed the Dallas-Fort Worth area on the very northern fringe of an area of precipitation, rain and snow. The other half had us right in the heart of the accumulating snow. Well, by late this afternoon and early this evening, all of the computer models now kind of firmly in the camp, indicating that the Dallas-Fort Worth area will be in the middle of that accumulating snow band. And so our confidence has really increased of accumulating snow here. Here's the way it looks like. Travel impacts, a rain-snow mix developing as we head past midnight. The roads are mainly going to stay wet while you sleep. However, that rain-snow mix changes over to snow early tomorrow morning, just in time for the morning rush hour. Bad timing. The steadiest, heaviest snow will fall from roughly 5 o'clock in the morning through about 10, 11 a.m. Low visibility, slick roadways. But temperatures are going to warm significantly in the afternoon, and that will mean slushy roads and travel greatly improving. Here's a look at it. It'll begin after midnight tonight for most of us, a little earlier than that if you live, let's say, well down to our south and west towards Hamilton, Comanche counties. It begins either as rain or a rain-snow mix before it changes to all snow for the morning commute. And then again, ending around midday here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, a bit later than that to our east with a slushy afternoon commute. Current temperatures in the 33 to 35 degree range here around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Winds are calm. The dew point 26. The humidity is at 75%. So the winter weather advisory in effect for all of North Texas beginning at midnight tonight and continuing through noon tomorrow. Here's the culprit, this area of low pressure in south central New Mexico, making quick progress to the east, and it's going to track right over North Texas. And when that happens very early tomorrow morning, the atmosphere above our heads will cool significantly. So any rain or a rain-snow mix here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area will quickly go over to all snow at that point in time. You can see the rain already breaking out around San Angelo, just to the south and west of the Abilene area right now. And this will continue to spread in from the south and west as we head towards midnight and beyond. In terms of the timing, if you live well west and southwest of Dallas and Fort Worth, roughly 11 o'clock to 1 a.m., 1 to 3 a.m. arrival time here in the Metroplex, and 2 to 4 a.m. off to our east and northeast. One of the reasons why I've upped the accumulations for areas north of Dallas and Fort Worth is the fact that our computer models now have all lifted that heavier precipitation from Dallas and Fort Worth now all the way up to the Red River. Notice as well, temperatures are colder by a few degrees from Denton and McKinney and Greenville up through Gainesville and Bowie. And so snow is likely to stick earlier in those areas than farther southward. Here's how it plays out with your 24-hour forecast. A 60% mix at 6 a.m. I think it's going to be more snow than rain at that point in time. It's all snow at 9 a.m., at least from Dallas and Fort Worth northward, 32 degrees. 34 by noontime, the snow should be east and northeast of the Metroplex. And then I think we'll crack the 40-degree mark, but not until late tomorrow afternoon with a few breaks of sunshine. Futurecast, here we are at just after midnight, starting to see that rain and perhaps a few wet flakes to our south and west. The green colors indicating mainly rain with a little snow mixed in, with a rain-snow mix to our north in pink. But watch what happens as we head towards 7 a.m. The blue colors take over. That's mainly all snow, and that snow could be heavy at times as we head through the rush hour tomorrow. Still some steady, heavy snow around from Dallas and Fort Worth north and northeast through 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, and then it quickly starts to taper off from west to east as we head into early tomorrow afternoon. And by 3 o'clock, I think the only snow left over is way up to our northeast around the Paris area, and it's all gone late tomorrow afternoon. Here's the big change, 2 to 4 inches from roughly northern Tarrant and northern Dallas counties on up to the Red River and points to the northeast. 1 to 3 south of there, Mineral Wells, Cleburne, Waxahachie to Terrell. 1 to 2 as you head down towards Hillsborough, and you go south of Corsicana and Athens, generally an inch or less. We dry it out Thursday, another 40% chance of snow Friday, only 34, and then warmer by the weekend with a couple chances of rain Sunday and Monday.